Hi, my name is Zin, and today my team and I would like to share with you one of our projects, the RAD apparatus. Now, most ergonomic workstations are centered around the idea of posture, but the human body doesn't stay still. Even when we're focused, we're constantly making adjustments, whether we're shifting weight, changing our reach, or realigning. Now, most ergonomic products are designed as individual pieces. You got a chair here, a desk, and maybe an accessory holding the monitor or something like that. But, well, proper ergonomic workstations work the best when they're treated as a single system. The RAD apparatus was designed differently. It's a complete working ergonomic station that's centered around human movement, not static posture. And it's built as a single system, designed in alignment with ISO 9241 Human Systems Interaction Standards. Every major point of interaction, vision, reach, posture, load, is adjustable and coordinated. The seat supports subtle changes in body angle and helps redistribute load while you continue to work. Now, this isn't just a concept. Before bringing this to production, we focused on getting the mechanics right. This system has been built, refined, and simplified with manufacturing in mind. The RAD apparatus is not a chair and it's not a gadget. It's a purpose-built ergonomic workstation designed for people who spend a lot of time on computers. In future phases, we're researching collaboration with adaptive and sensory feedback. But for now, this campaign is just about delivering a solid ergonomic workstation. This Kickstarter helped support our first production round of the RAD apparatus. So, if you believe ergonomics should adapt to humans and not the other way around, we'd love to have your support. Thanks for listening.